Please join us on Thursday, February 6, 2020 at 1 p.m. Eastern as Epstein Becker Green's Stephanie Canwit examines the provisions, complexities, challenges, implications, and outcomes of the CMS Hospital Price Transparency Final Rule in this special 45-minute Healthcare Web Summit event, Hospital Price Transparency Implications, Fallout from the CMS Final Rule effective in 2021. This webinar addresses implications of the CMS Final Rule requiring hospitals to publicly disclose their rates, including negotiated rates with third-party payers regardless of product line, by January 1, 2021. There are many hurdles that hospitals must overcome to meaningfully comply with the Final Rule, and it is questionable if they will even be able to provide useful data to consumers. In addition to covering the provisions and scope of the Final Rule, and how the Final Rule would impact both hospitals and consumers when making healthcare decisions, this session will demonstrate, by means of illustrative example, how a potential patient could make use of the data required by the Final Rule and the limitations hospitals will have in providing reliable information. Our speaker, Stephanie W. Canwit, is of counsel in the Healthcare and Life Sciences practice in Epstein Becker Green's Washington, D.C. office. She has been in private law practice and government service in Chicago and Washington, D.C. for nearly 40 years. Stephanie was a healthcare attorney and litigator at Epstein Becker Green until 2001 and rejoined the firm in 2019. Previously, Ms. Canwit served as counsel of healthcare transaction and policy at a national law firm, as general counsel for a Washington, D.C. based insurance trade association that represents nearly 1,300 member companies, and as special counsel for a trade association that represents pharmacy benefit managers and their healthcare partners in pharmaceutical care. Also for 5 years, Ms. Canwit was Vice President of Health Litigation for a major health insurance company. To register, go to healthwebsummit.com and select this important February 6th webinar from the upcoming events menu. We do hope you'll join us.